Hey guys, so this is how you can add a floating action button on your Wix website. So first thing that you're going to do is to head over to the website of your choice and then click on this add elements right here at the left side panel. From here, go to button and then select any button that you want to add to your page. For me, I'm just going to drag this design over here. I'm going to put it at the side of my page. And then I'm going to link this to a page where I want to direct my audience. I'm just going to add a web address, which is my YouTube channel. And then I am going to paste the URL over here. Make sure that it opens in a new window so that this window doesn't close. And then I'm going to hit on done. Now that it is linked already, we're going to right click on this button that we have just added, and then we're going to select pin to screen and then make sure that it stays in this position so that it is always visible to the audience. And I am just going to change the horizontal offset of this one, the vertical offset as well. I think that is fine. It stays in the middle, and as you can see, it has been added to our website and it doesn't budge. You can now customize this button however you want to. You can change the colors, the font of this button however you want, and then you can also just preview this button if it actually works as a floating action button. And once you're done and satisfied, you can just hit on publish. So that's it. That is how you add a floating action button on your Wix website.